Do you want to empower your kids to remember more of what they learn in school? I'm here to share a simple yet powerful technique to supercharge your child's memory and transform their studying. This is all about active recall. Let's get started. Hi there, I'm Jasmine, and I help families like yours make studying a less of a chore and more of a success story. Let's unlock the power of active recall together. So, what is active recall? It's like a workout, but for your child's brain. Instead of just reading information, your child will practice remembering it without looking. This builds a stronger memory. Let's jump into it. Have your child read a small section of their notes, then close the book. What can they remember? Main ideas are key here, not every little detail. Next, let's turn those key points into ideas. If they've learned about the water cycle, questions might be, what are the stages? Or what happens during evaporation? Write these down. Give it some time. Then bring those questions and let your child answer without peeking at their notes. If it's tricky, review the material and try again. And remember, active recall isn't just for study time. Ask your child to share 3 things they learned at school. It's all about practicing that recall muscle. Make this a regular part of your child's study routine. It might be a challenge at first, but with practice, it can transform their learning. Parents, you have the power to make studying more effective and less stressful for your kids. Try out active recall and let us know how it goes. And remember, we're here to guide you every step of the way. For more techniques like this, make sure to follow our Make Better Grades series. Hit that follow button, and let's make studying a success story together. See you in the next reel.